Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to fix inverted camera on Messenger, you've come to the right place. And to do it is quite easily. So first of all, you need to go to your Play Store and in search bar find Messenger and open Messenger. Here you need to make sure that it says open and not update. If it says update, try to update your Messenger. Once you've done this, and if problem is not solved, you just simply need to go to your settings and go to apps. Once you go here, find Messenger. If, as you can see, in recently opened apps, I have Messenger, but if you don't see it, just click on see all apps and find Messenger. Once you find it, go to storage and cache and clear storage, just by simply clicking it. Once you clear your cache and storage, open Messenger and try to check if the problem is solved. If no, just delete your app, reinstall it, and the problem should be fixed. Don't be afraid that Messenger will log you out. If you have Facebook with the same account, it means, with, for example, if I need Messenger on my name, I just simply go to Facebook and I need to make sure that Facebook is also find on my name. Once you've done that, the problem should be fixed. So that's all. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.